Hello everyone, welcome to back our Civil Engineering Content Facebook page. In today's videos, we have to determine the forces in members AB, AE and BE and indicate whether each member is in tension or compression. We are given a truss with 3 downloader loads, 500 kg at joint B and 300 kg at joint E and 250 kg at joint C. The span from A to D is 6 meter and E is a center, so AE equal 3 meter and ED equal 3 meter. The inclined member make an angle of 60 degrees with the horizontal. You can see this. Let's solve it exactly according to the Gibbs solutions. So step number 1, find the support reaction. First, we need to calculate the support reaction RA and RD. We take moments about support A using the equilibrium equations MA equal 0, taking anti-clockwise moment at positive, then 500 into 1.5 plus 300 into 3 plus 250 into 4.5. minus RD into 6 equal 0. Now calculate each terms. 500 into 1.5 equal 750 and 300 into 3 equal 900 and 250 into 4.5 equal 1125. Therefore calculations after RD equal come 462.5 kgs. So now use a vertical equilibrium. The total upward reactions must equal the total downloader load. Then RA plus RD equal 500 plus 300 plus 250. Therefore, calculations after comes RA equal 587.5 kgs. Those the support reactions are RA equal 587.5 kgs is up order and RD equal 462.5 kgs up order. So first step we calculate a support reactions. Then now step number 2, the section through AB, AE and a BE. Now we use the method of sections. So take a section through member AB, AE and BE as shown by section line one by one. So we consider the left portions of this truss. Our first objective is to find the force in member AB for a vertical equilibrium B equals 0, then taking upward as positive. So 587.5 plus FAB sin 60 degree equal 0. So FAB sin 60 degree equal minus 587.5, then sin 60 degree equal 0.866, then FAB equal minus 587.5 divided by 0.866. Therefore calculations after FAB equals come minus 678.38 kgs. Now the negative signs is very important. We initially assume the member force is AB in the opposite directions corresponding the tensions, but the negative results tell us that the actual force act in the opposite directions. Therefore member AB is in compressions. So the final magnitude is FAB equal minus 678.38 kgs is a compressions. So step number 3, we calculate find the force in AE. So next we find the force in member AE. I use a horizontal equilibrium H equal 0, taking the right directions as a positive, then FAE plus FAB cos 60 degree equal 0. We already found FAB equal minus 678.38 kgs. So FAE plus minus 678.38 cos 60 degree equal 0. Then calculations and cos 60 degrees equal 0.5. Then calculations after FAE equals come 678.38 into 0.5. Then FAE equal comes 339.19 kgs. The result is positive according to the assumed directions. Therefore, member AE is in a tensions. So FAE equal 339.19 kgs tensions. So now calculate a step 4 section throw is BE. So now we need to find the force in member BE. For this, take the second sections show as section 2/2 and again considering the left portions. We apply a vertical equilibrium B equals 0, taking up order as positive. So 587.5 minus 500 minus FBE sin 60 degree equals 0. Why do we have those terms? The 587.5 kg is the uploader reactions at the A, and 500 kg is the downloader load at joint B, and FBE sin 60 degree is the vertical components of the force in member BE. Now simplify 587.5 minus 500 minus FBE sin 60 degree equal 0. Then calculations after and sin 60 degrees equals comes 0.866. Then calculations after our FBE equals comes 101.04 kgs. The answer is positive in the assumed tensions directions. Therefore, member BE is a tension. So FBE equal 101.04 kgs is a tensions. So final answer. Now let's write the final answer clearly. You can see this. So member AB or FAB equal 678.38 kgs is compressions, and AE equal 339.19 kgs is a tensions, and BE member is 101.04 kgs is a tension. So among these three members, BE is in a compressions and AE and BE is in a tensions. So finally remember this simple concept: tension pulls the member and compression fuse the member. And when solve this problem using the method of a sections, follow these steps. First, calculate the support reactions, and second, pass the sections through the required is member. Third, apply a vertical equilibrium, V equal 0, H equal 0 and M equal 0. And finally, check the chain of the calculate force that determine whether the member in the tensions or compression. That is the complete solutions to the task problem. Save this video for your next structure engineering calculations. So that's it.